Stop thinking trees stand alone. Discover how they're all connected through an underground mystery. Just under the forest floor lies an intricate network of fungi called mycorrhizal networks, or the wood wide web. These fungi connect trees and plants, allowing them to share nutrients, communicate, and even warn each other about pests or droughts. Ever wonder how trees seem to talk? They release chemical signals through the air to warn nearby trees of insect attacks. Neighboring trees then produce bitter chemicals to fend off pests. It's like nature's very own alert system. And then there's the magic of moss. Forest mosses act like nature's sponges, holding moisture and creating mini habitats for tiny creatures. This also helps prevent soil erosion. Even mushrooms join the spectacle. Bioluminescent fungi, like Mycena chlorophyll, emit a faint, ghostly glow, attracting insects for spore dispersal. Imagine a forest with its own nightlights. The next time you walk through a forest, remember there's an entire network working tirelessly beneath your feet. The wood wide web is nature's greatest collaboration.